Okay. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm going to speak about Group 12's business plan, which is called iGym. It's basically an app for your iPhone, Android, or iPad, and it can be it's mainly for users of gyms who take it to the gym, and it's got a lot of information about local gyms, opening times. The user are able to keep track of their personal records and achievements, and they're able to unlock more on the app as they reach certain milestones. And also, those who purchase that will be entitled to discounts at gyms across the country, a select amount of gyms, and it's got particular statistics about each gym and reviews and information about what classes you run, and so it's a really useful app for those who enjoy health and fitness. I'm going to speak to you about now the business model. The business model canvas for customer segments. We are targeting a niche market in the sense that it's only really for gym users, this app, but within that niche there's quite a broad range of people. We're really going from anyone, complete beginners to a gym environment to high performance athletes. So as I said, a niche market, but within that quite a broad range, and anyone who's never been to the gym before, those training for a particular event. So what are the value propositions of this business? Well, the iGym is really more than just a personal trainer. As I mentioned, some of the features, you get a lot for your initial purchase price. It's a tailored app, it's bespoke towards the person, and it's got different tailored data for that particular gym. So it's tailored towards the user and towards the gym that they're using. We believe that iGym is quite a household name and quite a good brand. So as long as we overcome any legal disputes, we think we've got a good brand name there. It's convenient to use, it's available on your phone, you can take it anywhere you go, you can check your stats when you're not in the gym, and of course when you're in the gym, just take your phone in with you and sign in, and you've got a very convenient application. As I mentioned, there are some discount incentives, so that's another value that the user is getting. And we've done some research. There's not really any existing or similar app on the market just now, so it's quite. We think we'd have quite a large market share, and I think it really encourages users to try what's a new technology as well. I think that is another value proposition. So what are the channels? Well, web sales and sales through the iPhone store or the Android market are really going to be the main channel where we get our money from. In the future, we might move into some of our own gymnasiums using the iGym brand, and that would be a future channel to get our money from. I'll now pass you over to Stewart Dale, and he'll speak about some of the other aspects of the business.
Well, I'm Stewart Dale. I'm going to speak to you about customer relationships. So obviously, as an app, you're not going to be properly one-to-one with the customers, so sort of a self-service, automated service we provide. And then within that, we can offer user advice reviews to change the app and improve the app. The revenue streams. It's a fixed price for the customers, so they pay it and we get that price. One-off fee, obviously. It's an asset sale, so once they buy it, they own it. And hopefully get some money off advertising. So if the app's during use of the app, we can offer advertising to other companies to get some revenue. Key resources, obviously outsource the code writing according to that's vital so the app will actually work. There's a few overheads, there's no substantial staff levels, just write the code, and that's basically a couple of managers and stuff like that. There's intellectual rights, that's going back to the I, and obviously government grants. Due to it being 2012, we've got Olympics this year, we thought government might endorse that sort of thing. So I'll now pass you on to Stuart Hay to finish it.
Hi, I'm Stuart. I'll be talking about, first of all, key partners who we'll be working with. To begin with, we work in the nationwide gymnasiums. Once we get in there, we can actually get customers to use our app. Secondly, we need to incorporate Apple into that, because they actually decide which apps go into their app store. The Android, you can get easy access to that, but in terms of Apple, we need their permission. And finally, we're featuring partnerships with manufacturers. If we can get an inbuilt kind of receiver into the equipment, that means we can interact directly with the iGym app, and the product itself. Moving on to key activities, we've actually provided a platform. The gym provides a platform for us. So all we need to do is apply our own knowledge, since we're personal trainers, into the app. So once we know this knowledge of sports science, we can actually tailor the app to the correct kind of fitness procedures and activities. Finally, looking at the cost structure, we'll be looking at fixed costs, which means that the price of the app will not change over time, regardless of how many we sell or how little we sell. And we project future costs when we expand into possibly creating our own gym, which of course would incur huge costs, but it's something that we'll be looking to do sometime in the future. As you can see, that's our business model. Campbell, grab this. Take care.